Hi there. I just wanted to pop in and say thank you for joining the Apparel Mentor program. I hope you can reap all of its benefits. My name is Mindy Martell. I'm the president and founder of the Apparel Mentor. Part of my expertise is I have owned a clothing factory since 2006, helping apparel entrepreneurs, and we just want you to watch this video so you understand all of the benefits that you will get and how the program works. One quick thing, if you've joined at some of the tiers, you will get a free book that I've written, and the book corresponds with the entire program. And I'm going to let Carrie tell you how to log into the program, how to watch your videos, how to get your worksheets, and how to attend all of your sessions. So we'll see you soon.
Hi there. My name is Carrie. I'm the lead apparel mentor with the Apparel Mentor program. So I want to just welcome you, first of all, for joining us. This is such a great program for people who want to learn how to bring their idea to life. Now that you have signed up, I'm just going to show you a little bit about the mechanics of how the program works and how to access all of the information available to you. So with that, I'm going to share my screen so we can look at kind of what you're going to be able to see when you log into the Apparel Mentor. Here you should be able to see the homepage for the apparelmentor.com. And once you sign up to be a member, hopefully you and I have had a little email communication on just welcoming you and kind of giving you a little bit of basic startup information. If you have not heard from me, my email is hello@theapparelmentor.com. Feel free to shoot me a message. All right. Once you are accessing the app and have decided which membership you're going to join, remember there are 3 levels of membership. There is the self-guided, the monthly guided, and then the accelerated membership. So regardless of which one of those you have, you'll still come to get the same information. And I'll explain a little bit more about what sets those 3 apart in a minute. But you will go to member login right here, and you will be taken to this page or potentially just a sign-in page. Okay, once you are here, you'll be able to see welcome to the Apparel Mentor, and then you'll see a couple of sections. Join here. So if you haven't joined, this is where you will go to sign up and join and choose your membership level. Here's a link to get the book. If you are not in one of the levels that includes the free book, you'll want to purchase your book. And then there's a couple other things as far as like scheduling an intro call, courses, free videos, free downloads. This is all just extra information that is available to you at the Apparel Mentor. But in terms of the weekly topics, you'll want to go here, Members Weekly Topic on the left side. This is where you access our premium content for all the topics that guide you through development. We have 20 topics. Each topic is listed in here. This first section is just a join now, so another enrollment section. The workbook topics are all combined here. Workbooks lesson 1 through 20. This is a combined workbook of all the lesson information. But what you'll want to do probably first and foremost is go into these individual topic folders. So topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, 4, etc. Each one of those has the workbook just split into that chunk for each topic. And then also with each topic, there's a corresponding video where we walk you through just kind of what's important to know about that topic. And it's the learning lesson for that topic. So the best way to work the program is to watch the video for the topic and then do that section of the worksheet. So actually print out or download the worksheet and do the exercises outlined in each of the worksheets. Okay, and so that's how you want to work through each of these topics. If you are a member at the self-guided level, This is all information you will have access to that you just can do at your own time, at your own pace. If you are a monthly guided member, you will have an additional bonus of Zoom live meetings with myself, Mindy Martell, and a peer group of mentors. So that's three sessions a month where you'll be able to discuss the topics, bring your worksheets, bring any sort of information that you've got, like maybe a prototype or things like that, to the meetings. And then we'll be able to guide you through how to apply what you've learned into your individual process. Okay. So the difference there is the self-guided has no Zoom sessions, no access to membership, or sorry, mentorship. It's just working through these topics on your own, self-guided. The guided mentorship is where we work with you through these topics and have live Zoom sessions where you can ask us questions, get advice, learn from kind of what we've done as far as apparel developers. So those are kind of the two things that you'll have there. All right. And the accelerated works a little bit differently in that that's a customized program where people work one-on-one. It's not a group session, it's a one-on-one education where you meet weekly with myself and Mindy. All right, so now that is one area where you're going to want to find your information. The second area you're going to want to go to is here called Members Only Forum. That is the discussion page where members can read insight from myself on each of the weekly topics. Mindy sometimes also posts in here. So that's just more of like a social area where people can have discussions and learning tools. Resources is probably one of the best things you can access through any level of the program. The resource section is going to have people to reach out to work with. So vendors that can provide you with fabric and trim, manufacturers who would be able to make your item once it's ready for manufacturing, technical designers who can create technical sketches, tech packs, things like that, pattern makers who can actually make the pattern templates for your garment, people who can sew prototypes. There's also other information as far as like labels and packaging, legal advice, models, stylists, web development, photo studios, photographers, marketing and social media, designers, frequently asked questions, videographers, and then in other has a lot of miscellaneous things like maybe logistics and fulfillment centers, or what else is in here? SEO, supplies, fashion. Yeah, a lot of different information in there. Okay. So now that you have that, those are kind of the three main areas that you're going to want to check. You can also kind of look into the events. Occasionally we host live events or different workshops that might appear in there. And then there was a pay-per-view academy where we sometimes load special information, but that's just kind of sporadic. It's not always something happening in there. Okay. So with that, I just want to, again, welcome you to the Apparel Mentor and let you know that I am always available at hello@theapparelmentor.com to answer questions and to guide you. If you have any questions about using the resources, or if you want to upgrade your membership to be a guided or an accelerated mentor, I can help you with that. If you already are in those courses, you can feel free to message me either via email or in the app, and I'll get back to you with advice or any sort of mentorship
If you've
that
joined
I
us
can
at the
offer.
monthly
So
guided membership level, this is a paid membership level. You will have access to our live Zoom sessions, which happen a couple times a month. The first one is our topic session. It happens the first Tuesday of each month from 7 to 8 p.m. Central Time. The second live Zoom session is with Mindy Martell, our owner and founder. This is an inner circle question and answer session currently happening monthly on the third Thursday of the month from noon to 1:30 Central Time. And the last mentorship option is the peer pod mentoring. This is a peer group session where you can lean on each other in the community, ask questions, co-work, and just have some accountability for the steps in the process. Currently, this happens monthly on the third Tuesday of the month from 7 to 8 p.m. Again, all these sessions are on Zoom. You will be invited to them with a calendar link and an email with the link as well. These are subject to change, but as of recording, this is the time and dates that these events are happening. Most of them are recorded. The Peer Pod is not, but the other ones are recorded, so you can watch later if you need to. And if you have any questions about the sessions, feel free to email hello@theapparelmentor, and I will get those answered for you.